Can you delete Threads account without deleting Instagram account? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, if we open up the Threads app and we head over to our profile page and then click on the two lines at the top right corner, then click on account and click on deactivate profile, and here click on learn more. We will be able to access a page, this one right here, in which you will clearly see that the app right here tells us that since Threads is powered by Instagram, in order to delete your Threads profile and data, you will have to delete your Instagram account. Note that we're looking into a way to delete your Threads profile separately. This means that as of right now, Threads is considered to be part of Instagram, and in order for you to delete your Threads account, you have to delete your Instagram account. Only then they will both be deleted, and there is no way for you to delete your Threads account only without your Instagram account as of the time of this recording. But keep in mind that they told us that they are looking for a way to delete the Threads account separately from the Instagram account, and once they launch that update and that feature, only then you will be able to remove your Threads account without your Instagram account. So I hope that this does answer your question. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.